Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Understanding Academic Fundamentals. So in the last video we have discussed about the algorithm. Okay, now next is flowchart. So flowchart is the pictorial representation of an algorithm, or you can say that the diagrammatic representation of algorithm. So whatever your algorithm is there, you have to represent that algorithm in the form of diagram. Okay, it is pictorial representation or diagrammatic representation of algorithm. Okay, is it clear? Now it uses symbols. Okay, so for start or stop, okay, this symbol is used. Okay, now to take input or to display output, okay, this symbol is used. For process, okay, when you are performing operations, this rectangle is used. Okay, whenever there is if condition, that is decision, okay, you have to use diamond, and arrows used for connection, connecting, we use arrows. Okay, these are the basic symbol used for flowchart. Okay, now we will draw flowchart for this simple algorithm which we have discussed in the last video. Okay, first is start. Symbol used for start is this. So here I am writing start. After that we have to read numbers, which is input. So I will take this, yes, to read A and B. After that we have to perform operation, which is process. So I will take this rectangle. Okay, here add is equal to A plus B. After that I have to display addition, okay, which is output. Yes, so I will take this rectangle, display add, and at the end we have to stop. So I will take again this. Is it clear? Flowchart, yes, it is diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. Okay, and these are some basic symbols used in flowchart. Okay, now we'll take one more example. Okay, so again this is the algorithm which we have discussed in the last video. Okay, now I will draw flowchart for this algorithm. Okay, so first step is start, correct. After that we have to read n, so it is input. Okay, so I am taking this symbol, read n. After that we have to assign numbers, which is process. So I am taking rectangle, PC equal to 0, NC equal to 0, and count equal to 0, correct. After that again there is read A, so it is input. Here I am taking read A. Next is we have to check if A is greater than 0. So this is decision. Yes, here I have to check A is greater than 0. Either it is true, correct, or it is false. Yes, so if it is true we have to increment positive count. So I am writing here PC is equal to PC plus 1. If it is false we have to increment negative count, that is NC is equal to NC plus 1. Okay, and in both the cases we have to increment the count. Okay, so from step number 5 we are going to step 7, which is count, and from 6 again we are going to step number 7. So from here you will go to step number 7, which is incrementing count. Count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, in both the cases you will go to count. Yes, after that we have to check if count is less than n. So again there is decision. Yes, here we have to check count is less than n. If it is true, we have to go to step number 4, which is read A. So if it is true, I will go to step number 4. Okay, if it is true. And if it is false, okay, we have to display PC and NC. So this is output, correct? So here I am using this symbol, display PC and NC, and last is stop. Yes, clear everyone? What we are taking, reading n, then initializing or assigning 0 to this PC, NC and count, again reading a number, then there is a decision. Okay, so for this decision, this is either true or false. Okay, if it is true, we are performing this operation. If it is false, we are performing this operation, and after these two operations we have to perform this operation. Okay, and after this again we have to check. Okay, so this decision will be true or false. If it is true, we have to go back to step number 4. If it is false, we have to display the output. So here you can see this is loop. Yes, can you see this is loop? Okay, understood? So this is about the flowchart. Flowchart is pictorial or diagrammatic representation of your algorithm. Clear everyone? Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Okay, like the video, share it with your friends, share your feedbacks in comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.